सदाशिवसमारम्भां शङ्कराचार्यमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्। पेज नंबर 12, verse number 35. स्वामिन् नमस्ते नतलोकबन्धो कारुण्यसिन्धो पतितं भवाब्धौ मामुद्धरात्मीयकटाक्षदृष्ट्या ऋज्व्यातिकारुण्यसुधाभिवृष्ट्या Having prepared the ground, the Shankaracharya now entering into the main teaching. The ground prepared by the Shastra communicated by Shankaracharya through this book. What is that ground? Whoever wants freedom from this samsara, there is a remedy. That remedy is moksha. Whoever wants to get that benefit of moksha, they have to acquire sadhana chatushtaya sampatti. Just having the sadhana chatushtaya sampatti disciplines are not sufficient. Those disciplines are meant to get moksha, and Shankaracharya has pointed out, having desire for moksha is not sufficient without acquiring qualifications. Therefore, qualifications also important, and the desire for moksha is also important. This viveka is required for a student. I am a very straightforward person, I am a very disciplined person, I never harm to others. But that is not sufficient to remove your ignorance. That ajnana, atma ajnana will not remove by the disciplines. Disciplines are meant to prepare your mind to get moksha. So therefore that viveka is important. That discrimination is important. On the other side, one person is very much eager to get self-realization, God-realization. What is the highest truth in this creation? I am very much eager to know. But I don't like to follow these disciplines. If you do not follow these disciplines, this desire for Atma Jnana, Moksha, at any time it will go away. Because this desire is not born out of discrimination. This desire is not born out of either Vairagyam or discrimination. So just it has come in my mind and it won't stay. Now we have to understand very carefully. Sadhana chatushtaya sampatti is very important. And the sadhana chatushtaya sampatti and the mumukshutva in the last one is very important. If I deny any one of them, I cannot get full benefits. Having understood this much, the seeker has to know another important point also. This desire for moksha with these disciplines alone is not sufficient. To get this Atma Jnanam, I need a person, a guide, a guru. Importance of guru, the person has to realize. Now you see how Shankaracharya bringing the topic. Sadhanas are also important, desire for moksha is also important. If I do not know, this jnana will be revealed only through the guru, Srotriya Brahmanishta. Adi theriyalana, in the moksha desire irundi waste da, in the sadhana chatushtaya sampatti irundi waste da. Because some people waste their life in the sadhana chatushtaya sampatti. Some people waste their life only in mumukshutvam. Some people waste their time in both only, but they never come to Guru. Now you see how many people are missing. Pashyannapi na pashyati moodhaha. అసలు ఇంత సాధన చతుష్టయ సంపత్తికి వరదే కష్టం. అందులో ముముక్షుత్వం తీవ్రమ డిజైర్ இருக்கிறது அது மேல கஷ்டம். ஏதோ தப்பி தவறி வந்துட்டா சாதன சதுஷ்டய சம்பத்தியோட முமுட்சுத்தோட வந்துட்டா. அது வந்ததுக்கு அப்புறம் குரு இம்பார்ட்டன்ட் అని தெரியலன்னா அது மேல ட்ராஜடி கிடையாது. Some people think. So therefore Shankaracharya covering all these points. Sadhana chatushtaya sampatti, tivra mumukshutvam and guru. Once the guru is important, when the student knows, the mumukshu knows, he approaches a guru. What type of guru? That's very important. See, every point is very important. Whom I am approaching is also important. A person who is well learned in Shastra, who has studied, well informed, and who is capable of communicating. இதெல்லாம் இருக்கணும். Capable of communicating, but communication பண்ணணும்னு ஆசை இருக்கணும். அது important. So the guru has got lot of scholarship. நிறைய ஞானம் இருக்கு அவருக்கு சொல்லணும்னு விருப்பம் இருக்கணுமே. It is not a question of 1 month or 2 months or 3 years, 4 years. சொல்லிட்டே இருக்கணும் until the student get ஞானம். This is the continuous process. Such guru I need. It may take 2 decades or 3 decades, we do not know. பாருங்க இத்தனதெல்லாம் தாண்டி வரணும். வந்ததுக்கு அப்புறம் அது புரிஞ்சு ஞானம் வந்து என்ன கஷ்டமா பாருங்க. So therefore the guru also, what type of guru you have to approach, also Shankaracharya pointed out in the previous verses. So such gurum aradhya, once such guru is available, how you have to approach? That's what now Shankaracharya telling. So இதெல்லாம் படிப்படி தாண்டி வந்ததுக்கு அப்புறம் if you get a guru and you have to approach in this manner. What manner? Swamin namaste. I have sadhana chatushtaya sampatti. I have tivra mumukshutvam, desire is there, vairagyam is there. And fortunately I have found guru like you. Hey Guru, hey Swamin, namaste, te namaste, my namaskars to you, my pranams to you, my prostrations to you. Nataloka bandho, you are the friend and guide of the people who bow in front of you. The well-wisher of those people who comes and surrenders to you. Nataloka bandho. Not only that, you are the ocean of compassion, karunya sindho. Not ordinary compassion. We have got a tremendous compassion. இந்த மாதிரி அழுக்கு வச்சுட்டு மனசு அஜ்ஞானம் எக்கமா இருக்கு. டு ரிமூவ் திஸ் அஜ்ஞானா யூ மஸ்ட் ஹேவ் ocean of compassion is in abundantly in. So that compassion alone can remove my ajnanam, karunya sindho. What type of me I am approaching you? Patitam bhavabdhau. Edukkaga vanda? Not chumma vibhutikaga varla nanu. Chumma prasadam sundalkaga varla. Not for my daughter's marriage or something to settle the problems. Adikaga varla. I have understood this samsara is like a ocean. Bhava abdhau patitam. I have fallen in this samsara, which is full of problems. Patitam bhava abdhau. That is very important word. This person who has approached a guru understood the limitations of this life, problems, everything of the body and the mind. That is the meaning ange. Patitam bhavabdau. That's why haves and have-nots. This teaching takes place between two people. Haves and have-nots. Have you heard this word? Haves and have-nots and rich people, poor people. That is the language. For that term, if you use here, have-nots means Sishya, who is inferior from the knowledge-wise than Guru. Haves the one Guru who is having the knowledge. So the relation between haves and have-nots is only the haves, the one who is having the knowledge, they will transfer to the have-nots. And the have-not should realize I am a have-not. The have-not who is ignorant, Atma Ajnani, must know what he is lacking. Then only he can accept the Guru. அது தெரியலன்னா அக்செப்ட் பண்ண முடியாது. ஸோ அதுக்கு தான் தட் இண்டிகேஷன் பதித்தம் பவாப்தௌ. இஸ் அக்செப்டிங் ஹிஸ் லிமிட்டேஷன், வாட் ஹி இஸ் லேக்கிங். Then only the teacher knows, oh yes, this person really realized that what he is lacking. Then Guru mind is ready, his heart is ready to teach. Pava. He has accepted patitam bhavabdau. In the raga dveshana I am caught by all these things. That's why one story I have told you already. In the story, one pachikaha, one person walking, chased by the tiger, and he has fallen in the well. Luckily he catched that root, which is the tree branch hanging in the well, and he is catching that and holding on to that. The tiger is looking inside. In the person, if he comes out, it wants to eat. And once the naravasana vandana vidadu tiger, it go on looking at him. This person looking at the tiger. Patitam bhavabdau. Not only that, a tiger in the keela pathad, he saw down. So inga tiger irukku edha keela polavana anga crocodiles are there. And the periya well, not ordinary நம்ம வீட்ல இருக்கிற பாவி இல்ல, அது big well, அதுல crocodiles இருக்கும். So he saw crocodile is opening the mouth and looking at this person. If he falls down, good meal today. I am very fortunate, I got a very good meal. Looking at this person. And this person, middle, மேல பார்த்து கீழே பார்த்து அப்படியே என்ன பண்றது தெரியல. In this, when he catch that tree branch, there is a beehive with full of bees. Once it is disturbed because of this movement of this person, all beehives are just moving that person. One is biting that person, kaalu, kayi, ellame. He cannot fall down, he cannot go up, and he is not able to stand there, and full of pain, taunts. In this, there is a rat which is cutting this connection between from that connection between where it is holding and this person middle, it is go on biting. இன்னும் கொஞ்சம் தான் இருக்க, கீழே விழுந்தா crocodile, மேல போக முடியல. இங்க மிடில் bees are biting him and the rat, அதுக்குள்ள அந்த பீஹைவ்ல இருந்து ஒரு ஹனி drop is falling in his mouth. That person எப்படி இருக்க? How is that person? We are all like that only. இந்த சம்சாரம் என்னது ஷடூர்மயன்னு என்ன அர்த்தம்? அந்த டைகர், crocodiles are all these things, rats are all compared to ஜரா வியாதி. ஜரா old age, disease, ஜரா வியாதி. சுத் பிபாசா, ஒரு பக்கம் பசி அவனுக்கு, சுத் பிபாசா, தாகம், hunger, these problems. At the mental level, shoka, moha problems. These three problems, old age and disease problem, and hunger and thirst problem. At the mental level, sorrow and delusion. Enna venum indha aanukku? This person, how can he survive happily? That means in the samsara, the body has its own limitations. Adida the slot, the lot of this human being, pari ajnani. So patitam bhavabdhau. Therefore, mam uddhara, such me you protect. Mam uddhara, you uplift me. Then some guru have to come and have to put rope, and he has to chase the tiger and come and help him. He has to ask him, catch this rope and come up. What is that rope? Shastra. He reveals the Shastra, and this person catches that Shastra and comes up. And the mrityu will go, this raga, moha, shoka, kshut, pipasa, all he will come over. That is the only solution. Mam uddhara, uplift me. How you have to uplift? Atmiya kataksha drishtya, with full of compassion, by your glance. And the Guru பார்வை போதும். Guru பார்வை, அந்த கண் வந்து நம்ம direct to the student. இந்த குரு முன்னாடி உட்காரும் போது, how can I see other and this side and that side? How can I see? If my guru is there in front of me, it is impossible for me to move my eyeballs. If I know this samsara problem, if I want to come out of this, if I know that my guru is the only guide for me, my eyeballs can never move even an inch any time from my guru's sight. It moves means it will take few decades to get jnana. That is why the more I listen to Shastra, the more I focus into my teacher's eyes. It happens. It happens. When can I look into my teacher's eye? The eye contact is not because of anything, because of the intense desire, arti in me, the moksha I want. And the Guru kataksha drishthyanu kekrar. That means what? Looking at the teacher's eye means you can understand the Shastra. The more you look into the deep into the teacher's eye, the expression you can understand, the communication you totally you grasp when you look into the eyes of the teacher. Arjuna was such a type of student. Even you will forget to blink. அந்த அளவுக்கு அந்த contact, eye contact must be there. If it is there, மோட்சம் வராமல எங்க போகும்? வேண்டான்னு சொன்னா வந்துடும். If such student is there in front of the teacher, no guru can hide any knowledge. He is helpless. Kataksha, drishtya. The fourth line பாருங்க, ருஜ்வான. ருஜ்வா அதிசய அதிகாருண்ய சுதாபி விருஷ்டியான. రుజ్వాన్ అంటే స్ట్రైట్, డైరెక్ట్, రుజుత్వం. సో గురు విల్ టీచ్ the total knowledge, teaching will give to the student. Ujva ati, an extreme, ati karunya, extreme compassion. Eyes can do wonders. Wonders ange pandradhu worldly matters la enakku theriyadu, but vedanthamana idu kandipa pannum, because eyes have such a power. The whole body psychology, the whole mind psychology, the whole your power expressed in the eyes. அது நிறைய பேருக்கு தெரியாது. Very 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 few people know that. You can talk with your eyes, you can communicate with your eyes, you can do anything with your eyes. Especially in Vedanta, it does wonders. Every statement, communication, through the eye contact. Our Swamis is very particular in this eye contact. Each and every student you have to look into, and the student ready irukkanum. Endha time lo and guruvoda paarvai enna mela vidumo adu miss agakudadu, naan paathite irukkanum. eppadi guru enna paakalaye, konja nera andha pakkam paakalam, andha time la correct guru namaketa paaparu. Out. Thousands of people யாரோ ஒருத்தர் தான் இந்த மாதிரி இருக்கிறது. If all students are like that, like same way like you, and the guru is really fortunate, very fortunate. எவ்வளவு அலர்ட்டா இருக்கணும் பாருங்க. அதுதான் ஸ்டூடெண்ட் அண்ட் டீச்சர் ரிலேஷன், இதுதான். That is the highest. That's why here every word is significant. Sudha Ambudhi ennar, Sudha Drishti ennar. That what is flowing from the eyes of that Ati Karunyam, Karuna, what is it? Amritam. Amrita is flowing from my Guru's eyes and teaching. That which makes me immortal. That which makes me immortal. That is called Sudha. Abhivrishtiyana. The showers. The Amrita is showering from the, because of Ati Karunyam, from that eyes of the Guru, and the teaching, Mahavakya statements are showering. It's like a rain, it is flowing in. Like a rain, it is flowing in. I am fully wet with Shastra. I am fully wet with Shastra. Morning Guru శ్రవణం ఓన్లీ, నిధిధ్యాసనమో మన్నమో ఏదో ఒన్ను, మధ్యాహ్నం అదేదా, సాయంకాలం అదేదా, నైట్ అదేదా. அப்பப்போ கொஞ்சம் சேஞ்ச் இருக்கணும் சுவாமிஜி, இதெல்லாம் கிடையாது. ரியல் ஸ்டூடெண்ட் நெவர் வாண்ட் எனி சேஞ்ச். immature students only want some change. Mature student is one who is directed to the teaching. That's all. இத்தனை ஜென்மா பண்ணிட்டு வந்துட்டோம், என்ன இதுக்காக இது வேஸ்ட் பண்ணணும், அங்கே இங்கே ஒன்றும் வேண்டாம் சாமி, டைரக்ட் மகா வாக்கியான்னு அப்படி இருக்கணும். அதுதான் ருஜ்வா அதிகாருண்யம் சுதா அபிவிருஷ்டியா ஹே குரு மாம் உத்தரா. See what is statement Guru. That's why he did namaskara to the Guru, and he asked why he has shown that much reverence. This teaching came from the Bhagavan. Yo Brahmanam Vedadhati Purvam. Where from this teaching coming? From the Lord. This Guru is a pipeline. Overhead tank ange irukku. If you open the tap, water is coming. Only teacher is pipeline madri da. So therefore I respect this pipeline. That's why we do puja also. Even kadar illanna veetla enna பண்ணுவோம், அந்த வருண தேவதாக்கு இவன் பைப்புக்கு குங்குமம் மட்டும் எல்லாம் வச்சிடுவோம். அது மாதிரி அந்த பகவான் யோ பிரம்மாணம் விததாதி, who has revealed this Brahman, first Bhagavan, I cannot see. So that Bhagavan I am seeing in my Guru. அந்த வினயம் வரதுக்கு காரணம் இதுதான். இவ்வளவு கன்விக்ஷன் இருக்கணும். இவ்வளவு கன்விக்ஷன் இருந்தால் தான் அந்த குரு சரண்டர்னு, குருக்கு சரண்டர் ஆகிறது, சரணாகதி ஆகிறதுன்னு இவ்வளவு ரெவரன்ஸ் இருந்தால் தான் அது வரும். நமக்கு இப்போ குரு அண்ணதே கிடையாது, வேல்யூவே போயிடுது. எல்லாம் இப்போ வந்து நமக்கு இந்த குரு மேல அந்த பக்தி வந்து, பக்தி வந்ததுக்கு அப்புறம் சரண்டர் ஆகி, சரண்டர் ஆகினప్పుడు படிச்சதுக்கு அப்புறம் புரிஞ்சதுக்கு அப்புறம் மோட்சம் வந்து. So now he is go on explaining again, praising the Guru. So by doing namaskara here, namaste and சொல்லி என்ன பண்றாரு, I am putting myself in lower level. I am accepting my ajnana. I do not know. So next sloka he is telling how much patitam bhavabdhau. He said, I have fallen in this samsara. What type of samsara he is describing? Description of samsara. We will read that sloka. Not ordinary samsara is a, hey Guru, durvara, very difficult to cross over, he is telling. We will read that sloka. Sloka number 36. Durvara samsara davagni taptam dodhuyamanam duradrishtavataih भीतं प्रपन्नौ परिपाहि मृत्योः शरण्यमन्यद्यदहं न जाने. He is accepting his limitation. Why Amrita Varsham? Why I need your Amrita Varsham? Not Amrita Varshini. Amrita Varsham means he asked Sudha Abhivrishtiya Ati Karunya. He asked, why that much Amrita Varsham this person needs? Imagine this Kalpana. As though Amrita is showering, because I am scorched by, I am afflicted by, I am burnt, lot of burning I am facing. What type of burning? Durvara samsara davagni taptam. Taptam means roasted, nalla fry, roasted, scorched. Taptam, scorched or afflicted by what? Samsara davagni. This fire, Agni means fire, Davagni means forest fire. The forest fire eppadi burning the whole forest, adu madri the samsara fire is burning me. The forest fire vandana ordinary people cannot go and stop. That's why he says Durvara, unstoppable. Durvara, difficult to put out. Durvara, samsara. This samsara, which is like the forest fire madre, the firefighters irukar illaya, when fire attack comes, these firefighters will go. In the firefighters ella no use. I want you only, hey Guru. These firefighters enna artham? Artha, Kama, Dharma ella odi ange inge poi alanji vandita, and the firefighters cannot stop this fire which is burning in me. Therefore, hey Guru, you are the best firefighter. Durvara samsara davagni taptam and dodhuyamanam duradrishtavataih. Dodhuyamanam means just as the wind, this fire, forest fire spreads because of wind. Appo sarige correct time wind kuda vandadum. The fire is everywhere, fire is spreading. If wind comes, what happens? It spreads more. It's very difficult. Just as this wind is helping that fire to burn the forest, my duradrishta, vata means air. My duradrishta air, papa, what the papa I have done, sins, all sins, bad actions. Papa means what? Bad actions. Ajnanam comes under papa. எந்த மாதிரி பாப்பம் பண்ணிட்டவனே இந்த மாதிரி அஜ்ஞானத்துல இருக்கேன் நான், புண்ணியம் இருந்தா ஞானமே வந்துடுமே. Therefore, duradrishta dodhuyamanam duradrishtavaataihi. Just as the forest fire is spreaded by that wind, my samsara agni is burning me because of duradrishtam. Duradrishtam means what? Which is caused by the bad actions, bad luck and சொல்லுவாங்க. That adrishtam which is invisible in the form of bad actions, sin. So dodhuyamanam and spreaded all over. Actions are fanned. Dodhuyamanam left fanned and artham. Spreaded all over. My samsara fire. Then karchichu and சொல்லுவோம். Karchichu. And not only that, the direction of the wind is unpredictable. So, you know, எந்த பக்கம் போவோம் இந்த ஃபயர் தெரியாது. ஏன்? பிகாஸ் ஆஃப் விண்ட். அந்த விண்ட் எந்த பக்கம் டைரக்ட்ல போனா அந்த ஃபயர் கூட அந்த டைரக்ட்ல ஸ்ப்ரெட்ஸ். சிமிலர்லி my whole fate is unpredictable. What is my lifespan? What is going to happen to me? I do not know. How Papa I have saved? I do not know. So, dodhuyamanam duradrishtavaataihi and bhitam prapannam paripahi mrityoho. Mrityoho bhitam. I am afraid. Bhitam means frightened. Bhitam means I am frightened, afraid. Bhitam of what? Mrityoho, of death. I am afraid, I am frightened of death. And mrityoho. Such me. What I am doing here? Prapannam. Prapannam means I surrender to you. Such me who is frightened of death, who is burnt or scorched or afflicted by the samsara fire, jara, mrityu, vyadhi, chut, pipasa, எல்லாம் ஒரே சோகமா இருக்கா இல்லையா சுவாமி? இங்க சோகம் இருக்க நல்லதானே இருக்கோம், நல்லதா இருக்கேன்னு தோன்றது. என்ன பயம் பாருங்க, எவ்வளவு இன்சைடு லாட் ஆஃப் ஃபியர். So therefore bhitam such me prapannam who surrendered to you. Prapannam paripahi, protect me. Paripahi, protect me. Why you have to protect me? Because aham na jane, I do not know other than you, anybody else. Sharanyam anyad, I do not know to whom to surrender. I do not know anyone other than you. Aham na jane, I do not know. Aham means I. Jane in knowing. Na jane, I do not know. What I do not know? Anyat. எங்க டீச்சர் குரு இருக்காரா எனக்கு தெரியாது, எனக்கு முன்னாடி கண்ணு முன்னாடி நீங்க இருக்கே. Therefore I surrender to you. Anyat aham na jane. To surrender, saranyam. To surrender to anybody else, I do not know anyone. Therefore I surrender to you. With these problems. So the whole samsara description he has given. Therefore this fire, samsara fire, to put off this fire of samsara, ajnana, you have to shower that sudha, the shastra, on me by teaching. Please teach me systematically so that I can get Atma Jnanam. That is the student's intention here. Why? I have gone to all other people until today. ஒரு ப்ராப்ளம் போன மாதிரி தெரியல, இன்னும் இன்க்ரீஸ் ஆகிட்டே இருக்கு. Therefore I found you, you are the right person. You are the right person who can remove my ajnana. Now I have understood By removing this ajnana alone, my problem will be solved. That's what Arjuna said in Bhagavad Gita also. Therefore, here also only self-knowledge can put off this samsara fire. So therefore, the Guru to whom I am surrendering, that Guru must give what? Self-knowledge. How that Guru can give? Through Shastra. Therefore, I have to study those books from my Guru. By studying which books, which Shastra, I can get Atma Jnana. Clear the connection? And the Guru must teach only this, that which can remove my Ajnana. Not focusing on the book, in the book, I want only self-knowledge. So, and the selection pandaname, idella student responsibility. எவ்வளோ கஷ்டம் பாருங்க மோட்சம் அடையிடமுன்னு இல்லை அங்கே இங்கே தாண்டி சாதன சதுஷ்டய சம்பத்திலிருந்து இதெல்லாம் தாண்டி there are many teachers who are teaching many texts, but this person has to choose such a teacher who can teach Upanishads. They will give chitta shuddhi. Either Bhagavata, Ramayana, Bharata, you go to any classes, they give inspiration to you. They will put you in right track. Any text you go other than Bhagavad Gita, Upanishads, I will tell you, any text you go anywhere other than Upanishads, Bhagavad Gita, they all put you in your right direction only, but they can never reveal Atma. Atma revelation varnamanna, you have to study Upanishads. There is no other way. So Shankaracharya gives the whole essence of Upanishads here. That is why we are studying Prakarana Grantha as a side, not the main. So studying Upanishads is also very important. It is our side dish madri. Prakarana Grantha study is like a side dish. I cannot replace the Upanishads. In that place only I am reading Viveka Chudamani illa. Upanishads படிக்கணும், கீதா படிக்கணும். அது படிக்கும்போது சைடாக கொஞ்சம் ரொம்ப ஸ்ட்ராங்காக இருக்கும் டோஸ் அங்கே அந்த டெக்ஸ்ட் எல்லாம் கொஞ்சம் லைட்டாக இருக்கணும்னு சொல்லி இந்த புக்ஸ் எல்லாம் புரியுறதோ இல்லைன்னு சொல்லி பிரகரண கிரந்தமே ரொம்ப பிடிச்சிருக்கேன் நான் சுவாமிஜி உபனிஷத்து வேண்டாம் எபோவ் ஹெட்னா ட்ரை டு புட் இன் டு ஹெட். நெக்ஸ்ட் ஸ்லோகா சாந்தா மகாந்தோ நிவசந்தி சந்தோ वसन्तवल्लोकहितं चरन्तः तीर्णा स्वयं भीमभवार्णवं जनान् अहेतुना ज्ञानपि तारयन्तः. Very nice slokas. He is giving, the Sishya is praising the teacher here. Shanta Mahanto Nivasanti Santo. Shanta Mahanto. Shanta means tranquil, calm, cool. Mahantaha, jnanis, or who are generous. Mahantaha means who are generous, great people, who are generous people. Santaha, saintly people. Santaha, saintly people, noble-minded people. Sajjana Purushaha, anartham. Santaha. Nivasanti, do live. This cool-minded, calm, noble-minded people who are very generous, they are Nivasanti, irikanga. Do live, Nivasanti, they are amidst us. Nivasanti. How they are staying in the midst of us? Vasantavat lokahitam charantaha. Vasantavat, like the spring season. Like spring season, Vasantavat lokahitam, for the sake of humanity. For the sake of humanity, lokahitam, for the sake of humanity, good, for the good of the world. Charantaha, they are doing good to the whole humanity, just as the spring season. Vasantavat lokahitam charantaha, just as the spring season is doing good to the whole humanity, similarly these good noble minded people, mahantaha, shantaha and santaha also lokahitam charanti. Ennama vishesham in the Vasanta Rutula? Why jnanis are compared to a Vasanta Ritu, spring season? The commentator writes a beautiful expression. There are 6 seasons. Vasanta Ritu, then Grishma, Varsha Ritu, all will come. What he tells, Vasanta Ritu means Vasati Sukham Yatha Tatha Asminniti Vasantaha. Vasati Sukham Yatha Tatha, gives full happiness. The Vasanta Ritu gives full happiness. And anartham, other seasons will not give. Other seasons will not give happiness. He tells, Varshasu Vrishti Badha. Varsha Ritu, rainy season la, enna badha? Vrishti Badha. Pathame, 1 week rains vandavadane ella. Appo podu rains and solita. Vrishti Badha. Floods vanda badha. Heavy rains vandana kashtam dane. Even the banglas ke water vandachu ulla. All things are spoiled. Vrishti Badha. Varshasu Vrishti Badha. Then Grishme Tapaha. Summer varaporadhan ippove bhayapadrom. இந்த வருஷம் எப்படி இருக்குமோ, இந்த வருஷம் எப்படி இருக்கும், எந்த கூலிங் பிளேஸ்னா சென்டருக்கு போகலாம், கொடைக்கானல் போகலாமா, ஊட்டி போகலாமா, இல்லை நைனிட்டால் போகலாமா, இப்போவே பிளானிங். ஏன் கிரீஷ்மே தாபக. If you feel here Madras itself it is tapaha, how can you go to Rajasthan? You go to Ramagundam. Ramagundam போய் அவ்வளவுதான் நம்ம திரும்பி வர மாட்டோம். Still it is very less with compared to other places. Grishme tapaha. Therefore Grishma out, Varsha Ritu is out. Then Sharadihi Prarambhe Sukham. Sharad Ritu. I hope many of you do not know these seasons. I will tell you. Okay. Chaitra Vaishakha Masam Vasanta Ritu. Okay, write down. சின்ன வயசுல படிக்க வேண்டிய லெசன் நான் இங்க சொல்றேன். Chaitra Vaishakha Masam Vasanta Ritu. 2 months. Chaitram Vaishakha. Jaishtham Ashadam Grishma Ritu. Jaishtham Ashadam. Shravanam Bhadrapadam comes under Varsha Ritu. Ashvaja Kartikam comes under Sharad Ritu. Ashvajam Kartikam. இப்போ என்ன மாசம் நடக்கிறது? கார்த்திகை மாசம். அப்ப பரவாயில்லைங்க. கார்த்திகை மாசம். என்ன மாசம் வரப்போறது? மார்கழி. மார்கழி பூவே என்று பாடுவாங்க பாட்டுக்கு. மார்கசிரம் and Pushyam called Shishira Ritu. Ashvajam and Kartikam comes under Sharad Ritu. Margashiram and Pushyam, both months comes Shishira Ritu, winter. Shishira Ritu. Magham and Phalgunam comes under Hemanta Ritu. These Ritus are designed according to the climate. According to that one we celebrate the functions. That's why how many of you know seeing the Panchangam? Panchangam irukana adula. Adula in the Ritu ella paapam. So now Sharadi Prarambhe Sukham. In the Sharad Ritu Prarambhe Sukhama irukum. In the Ashvija Kartika Masala, what he tells, Prarambha Sukham, Na Masadvaye Kartika Antika Bhadasya. Na end of the Kartika Masa, and beginning of the Margashiram. ரெண்டு கஷ்டம் தான். என்ன கஷ்டம்னா சொல்றாரு, யம தம்ஷ்ட்ராத்வ கீர்த்தனாத். யம தம்ஷ்ட்ரா, these 2 months are like teeth of Yamadharmaraja, horns of Yamadharmaraja. அப்போ கஷ்டம். அதுக்கு தான் எல்லா வியாதி எல்லாம் வந்துடும், இன்ஃபெக்ஷன்ஸ், இந்த ஆல் டிசீசஸ் டேக்ஸ் பிளேஸ் இன் திஸ் மந்த். therefore out those months also. then ஹேமந்த சிசிரயோஹோ சைத்யம், ஒரே குளிர், தும்பல், காஃப் ப்ராப்ளம், ஏதோ ஒரு ப்ராப்ளம், சைத்யம் வின்டர் சீசன்ல. ஸோ காஸ்யேன லோகஸ்ய சுகம் ஜனயதி. திஸ் வசந்த ருத்து சுகந்தி குசுமாகர வசந்த ருத்து. So all months are out. Only this Vasanta Rutu, Sugandhi Kusumakara, it gives many flowers will blossom. Because of those flowers, nice smell comes. Sugandhi Kusumakara Vasanta Rutu. Why? Kasnena Lokasya Sukham Janayate. Totally it gives happiness. Everybody likes Vasanta Rutu. No heavy rains, no summer, no coolness. மீடியமாக இருக்கும். நல்ல ஸ்மெல் வரும், பச்சை பச்சை எல்லா செடி எல்லாம் வாசனை கம 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 அப்படி இருக்கும். ஆனந்தம். நாட் ஓன்லி ஃபார் ஹியூமன் பீயிங்ஸ், ஃபார் ஆல் பீயிங்ஸ், ஃபார் பேர்ட்ஸ் அண்ட் அனிமல்ஸ், இன்செக்ட்ஸ் ஆல்சோ. சர்வ பிராணிஜாத்தம் வில் பி ஹாப்பி இன் த ஸ்ப்ரிங் சீசன். குரு ஆல்சோ லைக் தட். அதுக்கு தான் இவ்வளோ வர்ணனை. வசந்தவத் லோகஹிதம் சரந்தே. Guru is one who is always taking care of the people, the disciples, the students, and giving guidance to them. That is the meaning. And another adjective, Tirnaha Swayam. Swayam, by themselves, they are all have crossed over the samsara. Tirnaha. Tiranaha means having crossed over the samsara. Tiranaha Swayam Janan Bhima Bhavaranavam Tarayantaha. The Janan and the people, they will make other people also to cross. Tarayantaha. They will help to others to cross over this samsara. They themselves have crossed over the samsara and make others also to cross. இப்போ அவர் கூட அதில் இருக்காருன்னா அவர் என்ன ஹெல்ப் பண்ண முடியும்? ஸோ த குரு இஸ் ஒன் ஹூ மஸ்ட் ஹவ் கிராஸ்ட் த சம்சாரம். அவர் சம்சாரம்ல இருந்து எனக்கு அப்படிதாப்பான்னு சொல்லக்கூடாது. அந்த குரு கிட்ட பண்ண நமக்கு என்ன வரும்? கரெக்டாக குரு பார்த்துட்டு படிக்கணும், போய் இதெல்லாம் படிக்கணும். அது நம்ம மூளை யூஸ் பண்ணிக்கணும். அந்த மூளை கூட ஈஸ்வர கிருப்பை இருக்கணும். ஓகே. ஸோ பீமம் பவாரணம், another adjective. What type of bhavaranam samsara they have crossed? Bhimam bhavaranamam, which is terrible. Bhimam means terrible. Vibheti asman iti, that which frightens. பயம் கொடுக்கறது இல்லையா? ரிங்கிள்ஸ் முள்ள முள்ளமா வந்துட்டே இருக்கேன், பயம் பயமா இருக்கேன், காலில் டக்கு டக்குன்னு ஜாயின்ஸ் எல்லாம் ஒரே சவுண்டு, பல்லு ஒரே மியூசிக் சீசன் மாதிரி டான்ஸ் ஆடிட்டே இருக்கேன். இதெல்லாம் பயம் தானே. பிபேதி அஸ்மான், ஃப்ரைட்டன், which is terrible. பவார்ணவம், terrible like a ocean மாதிரி. இந்த ஓஷன் உள்ள போன இந்த மிடில் ஆஃப் த ஓஷன் என்ன எங்க இருக்கவன் நமக்கே தெரியாது. அந்த மாதிரி சம்சாரம். பவாரணம் தாரயந்தஹ. why they make them to cross these people? ஜனான் தாரயந்தஹ. என்ன வரும் உங்களுக்கு? ஏதாவது எஜெண்டா, ஹிடன் எஜெண்டா ஏதாவது இருக்கோ? No hidden agenda. Ahetuna, without any reason, without any condition. Ahetuna. Ahetuna anyan api tarayantaha. Even others, they rescue other people also. Very nice poetry. Okay, next sloka. Sloka number 38. अयं स्वभावः स्वत एव यत्परम् श्रमापनोदप्रवणं महात्मनाम् सुधां सुरेशः स्वयमर्ककर्कशम् प्रभाभितप्तामवतिक्षितिं किलाम् or doubt, without any reason, without any hidden agenda, without any benefit, how they will help? The question. எதிர்பார்ப்பு சொல்லுவாங்க, without expectation. How they can teach without expectation? In the slokam, Shankaracharya tells, hetum vina katham tesham tarane pravrittihi. Hetum vina, without the cause, katham tat tesham, how they will get this pravritti, this intention of making the other person also to come out of samsara without any reason. அதுக்கு இது ஆன்சர். அயம் ஸ்வபாவः மகாத்மனாம் அயம் ஸ்வபாவம். மகாத்மனாம் செகண்ட் லைன்ல இருக்கு. மகாத்மனாம் ஆஃப் தீஸ் கிரேட் பீப்புள், நோபல் மைண்டட் பீப்புள், மகாத்மனாம் அயம் ஸ்வபாவம். அயம் ஸ்வபாவः ஃபர்ஸ்ட் லைன். அயம் ஸ்வபாவः. Koyam swabhavaha, ayam swabhavaha means this swabhava, this nature. This nature means what nature? Previous sloka chunnar. Helping the others, the whole humanity to cross over the samsara by teaching. Okay, by teaching. What is that? Yat swataha eva parashrama apanoda pravanam. What is that swabhava? Yat स्वतः एव परश्रम अपनोद प्रवणम. स्वतः एव, by their own. स्वतः एव परश्रम, the shrama of other people. Yat paresham shrama, the difficulty. Shrama means what? Difficult, the pain they are undergoing, the sorrow, the difficulty. Paresham shrama yat tat apanoda pravanam. Apanoda means to remove. To remove. Pravanam means removing. Nudd dhatu. Nudd means to remove. Apanoda pravanam, that problem, the samsara dukkha. Para aprerita. Swayam means what? Para aprerita. Without any instigation, without any hidden ideas inside. Swayameva. That I told you that story. One sannyasi was taking bath in the river. The scorpion is going to die. So every time he tries to put that scorpion on the banks. Whenever he is catching, that scorpion is biting him. And again he leaves. Again he catch. And again he is doing all other people. Enna muttal madri, when that is biting, why he has to rescue that? Then he says, see, that biting is the nature of scorpion. As I am a sadhu, rescuing is my nature. Even it is dying also, that scorpion is not leaving its nature. How can I leave my nature? Appadirupa mahangalanna. That is the nature. So therefore, avati, this shrama apanoda pravanam mahatmanam swataha eva ayam swabhavaha. How is giving an example, drishtanta. Sudham sureshaha swayam arka karkashaha. Arka karkashaha means the scorching sun rays. Arka means sun. Karkashaha means that which is afflicting, scorching, abhitaptam. Arka karkashaha swayam sudhamsu reshaha. Sudhamsu means amrita kiranangal. Amrita kiranangal. Sudha means amritam. Sudhamsu reshaha means eshaha means samipavarti, very near. That moon rays fall and see daytime how so hot. The moon is coming, because of that moon rays the whole earth become cool. Evening ஆன உடனே என்ன ஆகுது? கூலா இருக்கு. Because of whom? Because of moon rays. That is why moon rays are called சீதல கிரணங்கள். Sun rays are called சண்ட கிரணங்கள். சண்ட கிரணம், சண்ட பிரச்சண்ட பானு అని சொல்லுவோம். அப்படி இருந்துட்டேன்னு அவரு நைட் வராமல் என்ன ஆகும் நம்ம கதி? போய் வாப்பா, நாளைக்கு வா, இன்னைக்கு வேண்டாம், போதும் வெயில் అని சொல்றோமா இல்லையா? So moon will come and makes the whole earth cool. So sudhamsu reshaha swayam arka karkashaha prabha abhitaptam avati kshitim kila. The kshiti means the earth. Just as the kshitim means the earth which is scorched by, abhitaptam means which is scorched by the prabha, by the sun rays. Prabha, abhitaptam means very well scorched, நல்ல scorch பண்ணிட்டான், ஒரே சூடு. abhitaptam avatim, avatim protects. Just as the moon protects with his moon rays the earth, he protects. என்ன எஜெண்டா இருக்க மூனுக்கு? என்ன ஹிடன் எஜெண்டா இருக்கா? எதுக்காக இவன் என்ன ப்ரொடெக்ட் பண்ணணும்? கூல் ரேஸ் கொடுத்துட்டேன்னு. Nothing. Nature. The nature of the moon is to spread the cool rays. அது ஃபுல் மூன்ல நல்ல கூலா இருக்கும். நமக்கு தெரியறது இல்லை இந்த கூல்னஸ் எப்படி வந்ததுன்னு நமக்கு தெரியல இல்லையா? சாயங்காலம் ஆன உடனே சாயம் கூலா இருக்கும். Because of moons. So therefore Shankaracharya says prabhavitaptam kshitim avati kila. This is very well known. Kila means very well known. Everyone of us knows. The earth which is scorched by the sun rays will be cooled down by the moon rays. Adi madri, similarly, Guru also without any reason, without any expectation, without any condition, he always gives that knowledge to the students. Makes others also to be happy. சந்தோஷமா ஆனந்தமா இருக்கணும். So that's Vasanta Rutu மாதிரி, moon rays மாதிரி Shankaracharya comparing this Guru's greatness. Shankaracharya telling means Shankaracharya is talking about his Guru. My Guru has got this, therefore I got this knowledge. So Gurus are like that, Mahatmas. Mahatmanam. Therefore, ayam svabhavaha swatayeva yatpara shrama apanoda pravanam mahatmanam sudham suresha swayamarka karkashaha prabhavitaptam avatim kshitim kila. So adinala Guru also compared to moon and spring season. Therefore we respect our Guru. ஞானத்துக்கு அவ்வளவு மகிமை இருக்கு. Once we get ஞானம் means you will feel really like to cry. What can I give to my Guru? I cannot give anything. அவர் கொடுத்த ஞானத்துக்கு நீங்க ஈக்குவலா நத்திங் we can give. ஒரு ஆனந்த பாஷ்பம் தவிர ஒன்றும் கொடுக்க முடியாது. அப்படின்னு சொல்லி ஒன்றும் கொடுக்காமல் இருக்கக்கூடாது, கொடுக்கலாம். பட் இட் இஸ் நாட் ஈக்குவல் டு தட். இட் இஸ் நாட் ஈக்குவல் டு தட். அவ்வளவு ஆனந்தம் வரும் அதுக்கு, அந்த ஞானத்தில். லைக் தட் மகான்கள் எல்லாமே வை தே ஹவ் praised their gurus, அதுதான் காரணம். பிகாஸ் தே ஹவ் காட் தட் நாலேஜ் பிகாஸ் ஆஃப் கிரேட் குருஸ், பிகாஸ் ஆஃப் தேர் கம்பேஷன். நல்ல கஷ்டப்பட்டு எல்லாம் படிச்சு நமக்காக டீச் பண்றாங்க இல்லையோ, தட் இஸ் த ரெஸ்பெக்ட். ஓகே, more in the next class. Purnamadah Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.